Have you ever wondered how much revenue your small business loses because its customer data is not organized, it's splattered everywhere, or how you can use AI or artificial intelligence to help increase your revenues? Keeping your customers' data organized is hard, but it can be a huge revenue generator. And with the power of AI, you can optimize your sales process to identify your most loved customer personas. Large businesses like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Facebook are using AI to double their sales revenues, and you can too. Now, you don't need to be an expert to do this. Even a small business owner can achieve this today. So in this video, we're going to show you with examples and business case studies exactly how you can do that, how to add a simple CRM to your small business, and how you can harness the power of AI through the CRM to extract new insights from your data, thereby increasing your revenues and optimizing your operations. According to Harvard Business Review, companies implementing an effective CRM strategy have a 60% higher chance of boosting their revenues. Those chances are dramatically increased when you introduce artificial intelligence, or AI, into the mix. A simple CRM, even without AI, will help you visualize your customer data, your potential leads, your closed deals. You can review all your past data at a glance with intuitive charts and graphs. So let's start with the CRM, or Customer Relations Management part. Now, to help you, we've also created a simple CRM in the form of a spreadsheet, which you can use for your small business. A simple CRM helps organize your customers' data. Here, you can add all of your customer details and even create custom fields to record important facts of each customer. Later, we're going to use AI to figure out which type of customer is generating the most deals and revenue for you. Give a customer a unique ID and use that unique ID in the Leads tab to automatically bring the customer's data over. That way, if a customer has many leads or many deals, you don't have to copy and paste the data 1,000 times. This is called data redundancy, and it's an important feature of all CRMs. So, if your customer's email address changes, you just have to change it once in the Customers tab section, and it will automatically update across the Leads and Deals tab. Caterpillar is a multinational corporation that designs, develops, engineers, and sells large machinery and engines. Although Caterpillar might not be as commonly recognized as brands like Apple or Amazon, Caterpillar is a global powerhouse in the construction and mining sector. Caterpillar is renowned for its well-integrated operations and vast global customer base. You can be a client in China, and if a machine breaks in Madagascar, they know the part you need. Even before you know you need it, Caterpillar with its sensors and machines and AI will have that part ready for you because they know it's about to wear out. And all of this happens without any downtime. Now, before we use any AI, let's see how your small business can be like Caterpillar. In the simple CRM we've designed for you, you can view the graphs and analysis of your deals using the custom fields of your customers. Say you produce high-protein candies, and your customers are restaurants, candy shops, fitness centers, and airlines. And you serve many regions like Caterpillar does. You serve California, Oregon, Texas, Nevada, and Florida. These customers mostly are interested in your different product types, like let's say cookies, protein bars, snack bags, and protein powders. Using our simple dropdowns, you can visualize and compare how the different customer types, regions, and products compare with one another. And later, using AI, you can mix and match these fields to identify which customers are about to make an order, so you can contact them proactively the way Caterpillar does. Herbalife is a global multi-level marketing corporation that develops, markets, and sells dietary supplements and weight management products, and they have around 4.5 million sales representatives. That's 4.5 million salespeople. Now, you've seen their logo in a football soccer jersey like the one that the LA Galaxy or Cristiano Ronaldo wears. If Herbalife can keep track of its 4.5 million sales representatives. So can you. Herbalife uses many CRMs to onboard and train, track and compensate, continuously support and educate, and perform and monitor incentives. As a multi-level marketing company, incentives, commissions, and rewards are a big part of their sales effort. But sometimes their sales tactics have gotten them into trouble. The FTC, for example, ordered Herbalife to pay back $200 million to salespeople that actually lost money trying to start a Herbalife business. Apparently, 50% of their sales representatives only make about $400 a year. In reality, many lose money, and only the top 1% can make a decent living. Putting their controversial sales practices aside, we only share this example to exemplify how complicated a sales operation can get with 4.5 million individuals. Now, there is a very good chance that your small business is nowhere near Herbalife's operational level, and you don't have to have such controversial sales practices. However, you can use the simple CRM to keep track of your sales team as well. You can track their leads, you can track their revenues, continually support them, and manage their incentives, reward the best sales members, and encourage them to help others. In the revenue dashboard section, you can filter by sales member and other items to then visualize the charts related to the custom fields of your customers. To set this up, remember, go to the Fields tab and enter the name of each member in the Team Members section. We're now going to shift gears and talk more about AI and how to integrate it into the simple CRM. If you're not familiar with AI or artificial intelligence, it's so cool. It's a statistical model that can extract insights from your data. Heck, we even used AI to help write this article and create this video. And that Caterpillar example from earlier, or the Herbalife one, we asked AI to help us write it. Just how AI helped us create this video script, AI can also help create and analyze your CRM data. And we're going to show you how. 90% of the challenges related to any data analysis is not doing the data analysis itself. Rather, it's collecting the data you need to do the analysis. By this point, you've added our simple CRM to your small business and have been able to import all of your customer data, leads, and deals. The simple CRM is a spreadsheet, and though we don't have the time to cover how to use a spreadsheet, there are lots of great videos out there that can teach you how to do that. Now, the simple CRM is available in Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. The great thing about Google Sheets, or if you use the online version of Microsoft Excel, is that you can have many team members log into the spreadsheet at the same time, editing and updating it. That way, you don't need any expensive or fancy CRM tools to optimize your small business. A simple spreadsheet will do just fine. There are two ways to add AI to your mix. The first one is simpler. It's by using a chat tool. And there's a lot of different AI tools out there, and we're gonna use OpenAI's chatbot. However, by the time you watch this video, I'm sure other better tools might have been released. Earlier we said 90% of the challenge was collecting the data. Now that you have your data from a simple CRM, head over to the Deals tab on the spreadsheet or any tab that's prefixed with AI. Select all the data and copy that onto your clipboard. Then go to OpenAI's chatbot, or whichever your preferred tool is, and type the following prompt. Based on this data, which customer has generated the most revenue for me? You can also write that in your native language, like Spanish or German, if you want the responses from the AI to be in your language. Then paste the data from the CRM into the chatbot and generate a response. You can then follow up with prompts such as, tell me which team members are bringing the most revenue. If you have a lot of data, tell ChatGPT that you're going to keep pasting data until you're done, and keep copying and pasting small parts of your data set from your CRM into the chat tool. In our simple CRM, you can define how many days a team member needs to wait before they need to follow up with a customer. This can be edited in the Fields tab and then viewed in the Leads tab under the Lead Next Steps section. For the users who use this feature directly from the CRM, it's quite helpful because they don't have to think about who they need to call, email, or communicate with next. However, using the AI Leads tab, you can ask the chatbot more interesting questions like, which top 5 customers do I need to follow up with? Or, of the customers I have to follow up with, sort them by priority. Another helpful tool is OpenAI's Code Interpreter. With Code Interpreter, you can upload any text-based file and it will automatically write Python code to analyze and understand your data. Once the analysis is finished, you can ask it questions to help find trends in the data. The same can be done with PDF files, text files, or even compressed or zipped files. Funny thing is, it was only a year ago that a small business would have to pay a data analyst or purchase expensive software to extract insights from their own data. As a small business owner, once you have your simple CRM dataset, you can upload it and ask questions like, which service generated the most leads? Or which salesperson has brought the most revenue for me? We hope you can use this article, video, spreadsheet, chatbot, and everything we've introduced to increase the revenues in your small business. Looking back, 2023 has been an exciting year for process automation, and AI will continue to change and optimize the way businesses operate. Even as a small business, simple tools like a light spreadsheet and a chatbot can massively optimize your sales process. And even though Caterpillar and Herbalife are global public companies, your small business now has the tools and insights it needs to operate just as efficiently. So, what do you think about CRMs and AI, sales processes and integrated systems? And if you're in the industry or have done any other AI experiments, drop some more insights in the comments that we could cover. Thank you so much for watching.